Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Place the charging case on a clean surface and power your heat source to low. This softens adhesive. Once warm, pry the bottom silicone liner up with a plastic pick, then follow by easing a pick around the seam. Work slowly to avoid cracking plastic. Make sure to keep the case battery disconnected by removing the small grounding bar if present. You want just enough heat to separate adhesive. Excessive heat will warp the shell, so test briefly and proceed cautiously. Once the shell opens, locate and remove the screws holding the midframe, then lift the circuit board only after unclipping all ribbon cables. This prevents tearing delicate connectors. Make sure to note cable orientation. Take a photo if needed. Next, identify the coin cell-style battery and warm its adhesive lightly, then use a plastic card to slide beneath and loosen. When you can access tabs, use a low-wattage soldering iron to free battery pads. Work quickly to avoid heating nearby components. After desoldering, position the replacement battery, align pads, and solder with short, decisive contacts to prevent overheating nearby ICs. Once connections are solid, reattach ribbon cables in reverse order and screw the midframe back down. Make sure to test charge and pairing before sealing the case permanently. If the case won't charge, recheck solder joints, cable seating, and battery polarity. If you still face problems, gently reheat the seams. Reopen and inspect for pinched cables or missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.